Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Ïingdak ka long ka badan kam. Wad ha ka juk ka ba Mynta. Wad la ka day ka juk ka ba kikor ki bor ba thamai ki mi. Bat kidang pensuk ye ki Paidbah. Ha ki babun ki liang. Habaya keren baru Chief Postmaster General Northeast Circle Subrat Das uliathu baka Ïingdak kadang long ka badan kam. Wad ha ka juk ka ba ki bre ki badan kam de ki kor ki bor ki ba thamai. Ulaong ka jingdon jong kini ki kor ki bor jong kini ka jok kamsim na pendo bor ji ka jing tray kam jong ka Henry kadang long ka way na ki baki Paidbah kidang Shaniah kamtam ha ka biya day bat ka jing Phah Tiar shiki way pat ki jaka ula bendrap ru da ka baong ha ka biya day bat ka jing Phah city ka ne ka jok ka ba Mynta kam Phah shu de ki city shiki ba hayeng hasem kum ki por ki ba menshwa namar Mynta kila don ki WhatsApp ki Instagram bat ki way Henry ki khon hagni ka jok haka jaka ban Phah city shaki me ki pa lada day shaki kha ki jonki Mynta kila shu Phah de ki jing ai ngobha bat yakani kila Phah lingba ki Ïingdak kane ka pa ba ki bre ki dang Shaniah ya ki Ïingdak ban Phah ai shaki paralok ne shiki ba yeng hasem.
Can we have a breakup of these 1500 branches?
Yeah, I will give you.
And after that, whether you have any challenges, because as of now,
Challenges in?
I'm asking you, because now in this age of technology, emails and other social media platforms, whether the service of post office is still
Actually, yeah, that's a
up
good.
or it has gone down.
Okay, that's a good question. But if you, my opening remark, I had said the post office consists of three areas: the digital, the financial, and the social. And you are focusing on the letter writing. Now, letter writing as a medium is, is not there for the last 15 to 20 years because of the new mode of communication. People don't write letters. There is WhatsApp, there is Telegram, there is Instagram, there is Facebook. But what exactly is the post in this newest environment? The post is a network, and the network is there for everything. But the new age, digital platforms which have come for our, buying and selling, which is the Amazons, the Flipkarts, they depend on the post. For tier 2 and tier 3 cities, they depend on the post. So post in today's world is a digital network that can be used by anybody. That's number one. It is a huge financial network to fulfill the financial needs and requirements of customers in different aspects of their life cycle, and it is a social institution because through this we also fulfill the economic and the social requirement of the marginalized and the poor people.
You have mentioned 3 points, digital, mainly digital. How do you address the connectivity issue?
No, you see, terrain becomes a problem for physical because those times, supposing there has been a snapping of a road between here to Silchar. So my mail movement would get little delayed. But by digital is not affected because digital happens only when my bandwidth is snapped. And I operate with a redundancy, which is we call network service provider 2. So if the one is not there, the 2 takes over. Our target is that we need to open within next 3 months because operationally we need to do that. 1, 2 post offices, supposing we have a house problem and all, it may happen. But as a matter of policy, as a matter of our goal to ourselves or the timeline we have set for ourselves, we'll do it in next 3 months.
How many post offices at present are there in Northeast and particularly Meghalaya?
That Meghalaya detailed figure breakup, but roughly around we have 2556 rupees about branch offices.
Including new ones, it is proposed for 49, approximately will be around 870 post offices.
So you can give you a chip, na? You can give her. Small, right? She will give. Retail.
Okay.
Yes.
And at the Northeast, how many post offices are there?
Total Northeast, total would be roughly around branch offices 2560.
Yes, sir. Altogether with the new ones, it comes around 4,134.
This is exactly what I said, the digital. See, supposing, I can slightly change the questions. You don't write letters. Do you stop communicating? No. You communicate. Similarly, today, as I said, post has various facets. One facet that you are always saying that somebody is not writing a personal communication. But people do have lots of business communication. People do have lots of consignment. Say about 20 years back on your mother's or father's birthday, probably you would have sent a greeting card. Today you will send a gift item. And when you send a gift item, it is the post which will deliver that gift item. So the nature has undergone a change, and we have used digital in a very, very big way in the post office. Our entire network is completely digital. So digital has strengthened us, I would say. Dark means post, digital means export. And what we are doing is that everywhere we are having this trilateral meeting. What is this trilateral meeting? We are having a meeting with the Deputy Commissioner, the General Manager, District Industrial Center, and the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. So Indian Institute of Foreign Trade becomes the facilitator because they tell us how do you basically market your export, the thing that you would like to export. And like our Hemjit young officer, he went to Jyllei and he met local ladies 30 small organizations who are exporters, but who do not have the export license. So we help them, we handhold them to get the license. And through our idea is that by doing this again and again, the exporters who nowadays are going to some other channel, they come to the post office, which is their nearby post office, and from there we export it to wherever they want to send. When you say that our system is what you call a closed user group, and we have our NSP1 and NSP2 which are dedicated. So we don't face any such problem.
When you are saying that reaching the border,
1,000 post offices all across 6 states, we are there almost everywhere. And we are there in the border, we are there in the main district, we are there near the river, we are there very close to the forest, we are there everywhere. So our reach is quite good. And in addition to that, because it is a digital reach, it makes us a very powerful institution to be utilized for every purpose, be it direct benefit transfer, be it parcel delivery, be it dark media payment, whatever. Correction on what you are saying, bank account, not of commercial banks, we do our own bank, India Post Payment Bank. So that we do, which is basically, onboarding is very easy. See, unlike here, you just require an Aadhaar and a fingerprint. So you are onboarded. So that is our advantage. Now, what is the reach in urban and rural areas? You see, you know that there is a saving is a function of your income. So wherever income is more, saving flows more there. But our capacity is there. Whenever people would like to come for saving, we do. That's number one. Number two, the other point, how do we motivate people to save? That's also an important objective because you have the infrastructure. Now somebody who is spending, our strategy is to say don't spend everything, keep some. Because we have all kinds of products. So we have something the department has come out with a very beautiful concept which is called DCDP. We have given you in your brief. So Dark Community Development Program. Now the Dark Community Development Program is in collaboration with the local administration and we all come under one roof and the village headman would also come. We would call the local people and then we tell them about different kind of programs and that is how we propose it. Whatever can be exported. See, when you are exporting, you are basically following the rules of the customs. So whatever is exported and permissible for export by the custom can be exported to the post office.
You're saying about digital, there is a lot of frauds. So what are your cautions to the people?
No, you see, in any digital network that you have, you create a lot of oversight mechanism. So our CBS system has lot of oversight mechanism where we at regular interval we get information which we call the red flagging. Now the red flaggings are very scrupulously examine, and wherever we find that the red flagging can lead to a cost or damage to the system, we will shut down the system for that person at that point.